And they reckon Milford Sound's only just after you get through the tunnel. Fucking hell, it's rough as guts, some of the road. Now we're coming out to the other side now. Very windy at the moment. Oh, the scenery, this is incredible. There's little waterfalls everywhere. So when I go on the cruise, there's some real massive waterfalls, I reckon. So it looks like they're going to be really flowing, the waterfalls, I mean really flowing strongly into the Milford Sound water. It's quite misty actually. It's starting to get very overcast all of a sudden. It's just the weather changed. It was blue sky. As soon as you enter about 5-10 kilometres from Milford Sound, the weather just changed because you're sort of in a like an area where the sun can't get into or something. It's just massive. The cliff faces while you drive into here is just incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Have a look at the cliffs.